Welcome to the fourth dimension. It's Ken Jackson here. I'm back. Another project on Ilaria. A pretty girl. As you can see, I just finished washing her. I'm putting the pressure washer and stuff up now. This is what I'm working on. Bottom lip right here. I just placed it there just to see what it looks like. I didn't put any tape or anything else on it. I do need to finish drying it off. I'm gonna try and show you guys how to install it. Not step by step, because I can't hold the camera and I need like time and stuff, and I can't have the thing recording the whole time. Anyway, as you can see, it's kind of sitting off. You hear a motorcycle in the background. It does sound nice. Anyway, first things first, whenever you're installing something new, whether it be with adhesive or screws or whatever, make sure your surface is clean. Make sure it's dried off. Get you some alcohol, wipe it down, get you a drying towel. So I'm gonna put a link in the description for this bumper lip. This is specifically for the 7th generation of Maxima, 2009 through 2014. Here are your instructions. Now, you had an option to drill a hole in your bumper, or if you want, you can use some Gorilla super duper heavy duty double-sided tape. I would put a bunch of tape on there just in case, but for me, I'm gonna use the tape and the screws. It comes with the screws. You're gonna need a power drill. You can get one cheap off Amazon. I'll give you a few options in the description. You can get you a few from Home Depot, maybe Ryobi. They're pretty cheap and they're still pretty good. Or you may have some laying around. You need some drill bits. You can get a set of those pretty cheap, about under $20. Socket set, everybody should have some of that. File set, I think I have that. If not, again, you can get it from Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Home Depot. Sandpaper, obviously Walmart, Home Depot, Amazon, blah, blah, blah. The rest of this is about if you want to paint it. So we're gonna skip over A and B, and we're gonna go to C. If you're not experienced in this area of body repair, we strongly urge that you refer this installation to your body shop, which this thing is just about $200. Body shop might charge you $100 more. So it's a pretty easy installation. You want to have a pilot, your pilot screw. Give me 1 second. Let me go get the drill bits. So for this, we're going to be using a Ryobi hammer drill because it's a little bit weaker than the impact driver. The impact driver usually just beats the screws down into there, and you don't want to beat it too hard and end up cracking the bumper. Plus, this is a sensitive trigger, an adaptive trigger, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't have a speed setting, like 1, 2, 3. So the lighter you press it, the slower it goes. And press it real hard. We're not gonna do that. You got your settings up here. This is about $46. At the moment, it's $46 at Home Depot. You can get one that comes with the charger and a 1.5 ampere hour battery, which should be just enough for this project. And you want a stronger battery if you're going to be doing home projects, so forth and so on. This is your drill bit set. You can get this again from Home Depot at the moment through December 2nd for about $9. 101 piece set. You got your screws. I mean, not your screws. You got your drill bit sets. I have a few extra things in there that came with this. Drill driver sets, drill bit sets, and you got your extension. $70 value. It's pretty good. Like I said, if you're not gonna be doing real construction work and all that lumber stuff, you're just gonna be doing small stuff around the house. This is pretty good. Now you can get the hammer drill and the impact driver for about $99. 2 batteries and a charger. Anyway, let's skip ahead. So we got these two. We got the socket set, and that's about all we need. I know it's a little bit blurry. It's getting a little dark outside. Anyway, as I was saying, whenever you install or you're installing something, make sure the surface is clean and dry. Right here, it wants me to put double-sided tape. I know it's a little bit blurry. It wants me to put double-sided tape in the middle to let it sit up there so I can align everything properly. And let me see if I can get a clear shot for you guys. There we go. prepped and clean. 3M should be applied to wherever tape will be used. When applying tape, make sure the tape is smooth, wrinkle-free. It is best for multiple small pieces on long sections rather than one long piece. On the back, you got your figures. It's going to show you exactly, maybe not enough figures for some of us, not enough pictures, but we're going to get it together. Figure 1, applying the tape, pull back approximately 1 inch. Anyway, we'll skip ahead. I'm going to do this. I'm going to point it out to you guys because, like I said, I have a low battery. I'm cleaning all day. I just want to show you guys this real quick. So, what I'm going to try to do, like I said, it comes with the screws. All you have to do is drill a hole underneath, right? So the screws and the tape are going to help this thing hold up. So what you want to do, the tape is going to go underneath. Tape is going to go underneath. Tape is going to go underneath. You're going to have your screws right next to the tape. Oh, I tapped it and it fell off. Anyway, underneath, underneath, and underneath. Gonna drill holes in here. Might drill a hole. It depends on how many screws are in. I gotta check again. But we're gonna put some holes up in here. I just want to show you guys exactly. Like I said, you want to hide the tape. I pulled off my easy lip thing. That's why that black stuff is right there. But I still have some spots where I can put some double-sided tape, you see. So I'm gonna put some tape under there. I'm gonna drill some holes up under there too. And while this is being held up, put your drill bit in there. I mean, you actually need to drill holes in this as well, as you can see. So as usual, it's good to get some practice in. You know, get you a little construction box, a little piece of wood or something like over there. Any small piece of wood you can use. One thing before I start installing this, I want to show this to you guys. It points out that you want to have a pilot hole. Your pilot hole is going to be your smallest drill bit, which is going to be that one. Or if you feel like you can go a little bigger, use that 7/64. But you want to have a pilot hole so you can get some practice in, instead of just assuming and going to that big one and then your hole is too big and the screw doesn't fit and now you got a big ass hole in your bumper. We're finna start this installation. Like I said, I would show it to you guys, but I try my best to explain it. I'll explain it one more time though. Double-sided tape goes under here first. Put it to where you want it to go. And then you also want your holes drilled. Depending on how many screws are in that package, you want your holes drilled in here first. And then you want to line everything up. I'm going to put this on here, see if it fits properly, like I did. Line everything up. Then you want to start drilling up under here. But make sure everything is lined up first. And you got it exactly to where you want it to be. Shouldn't be that hard. Or you don't have to drill holes. You don't have to drill holes if you want to. If you don't want to, you can just use a bunch of double-sided tape and hope it stays on there. Like I said, get 3M or the Gorilla Glue stuff. That stuff is really, really strong. Really, really strong. I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, I'm gonna get into this installation. And I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, y'all, we back. It's a little dark, you know. Like I said, I started kind of late. But I'm pretty much done. As you can see, looks okay, right? Let me use this impact driver. Let me show you guys what I did before I even walk around it. So I had some spare rolls of double-sided tape. I'm going to admit right now that I didn't completely read the instructions. So I put the double-sided tape on there wrong. It's kind of loose. This comes painted matte black. Obviously I left it black because I'm trying to go for white and black. And pretty much you were supposed to put the double-sided tape on the indentions on the inside. And you were supposed to, you know how double-sided tape works, you peel a little bit back, put it on there, and then you peel. Okay, you put the tape on there. You peel a little bit back, just to make sure everything's lined up, and then you peel the rest of the ways and firmly press it up against there. I messed up, and the tape wasn't sticking because I don't know, it wasn't really sticking. But there is tape behind there. I just messed up a little bit, and I took my, like I said, $46 hammer drill. Comes with battery and charger. $99 impact driver. So this one has the better light. I'll show you guys. I got a screw right here. I got a screw underneath right here. Can I show you guys? Nope, you can't see it. But there's one right there, and another one right there. So, like I said, I started with my pilot screw just to see where I was drilling it. Your smallest drill bit is your pilot. I was trying to see where the hole was being made at, how big the hole was, and then I honestly just guessed the size of the screw, which ended up being 1/8. So I took that 1/8 drill bit, drilled a bigger hole into the bumper lip. Then I took that screw and drilled it up in there. I didn't drill a screw in there. I just played around with it to make sure it fit. Then I lined everything up. Then I went to drilling the bigger hole and putting the screws in there. It was that simple. It took 30 minutes. Not that bad. It doesn't look that bad either. It looks a lot better than having that easy lip on there. It looks pretty good to me. Now, there's two tests to this. There's two tests. Every time you put on double-sided tape, every time you're drilling stuff in, whatever. The weight test, bro. Weight test. I'm pulling on it. Now, wind is very bad. I don't know where you guys live at, but ooh, that focus. Girl, you better get some focus up in there. Anyway, you know how strong winds get. You want to make sure. I expect it to be a little bit loose. Then again, another screw could fix that. Once you get on the highway, that's the other test. But I pulled on it. Wind doesn't get that high over here, so I don't expect to it to super duper fly off. So I'm not pulling too tight, and I shouldn't be pulling it tight in the first place. Now will that come down? Yes. Like I said, another screw right here will fix that, which I'm gonna probably end up doing, because the screw's right here to hold the middle up. I'm gonna probably end up getting another screw to put right here, another one on the other side. But other than that, everything seems fine. Like I said, I'm gonna put the links in the description where you can get everything from. It's getting dark out here, so that means it's about to be bath time and bedtime. Comes with screws. Get you some double-sided tape from Home Depot or Walmart. Maybe get you some extra screws and drill your pilot hole. That's about it. Line everything up, make sure your surface is clean. You don't have to clean the whole car like I did. My car was freaking dirty, so I had to wash her today. She looked a lot better. Anyway, pilot hole, real drill bit with a real hole. Test it out first before you actually drill a bigger hole into the car. And then once you're gonna get that confidence, don't get too confident. Still be careful, because that's your baby, remember? And it's a lot of money, so be careful when you're doing this. Whenever you're drilling holes into anything, just be careful, especially with your car, man. Anyway, that's about it for this video. I'm sorry I took so long. I explained so much, and I couldn't show you every exact step, but I hope my explanation was enough. Good luck to you guys, and thanks for watching.